to the Honorable Chair, the Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights, Senator Leila De Lima, ma'am, the Vice Chair, and members of the committee, good morning. Salamat po sa pagkakataon na may pahayag ang mga adhikain ng pambansang pulisya sa pakikipaglaban sa illegal na droga. Sa pagupo pa lamang ng ating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, batid na po namin na magiging malaking hamon ang pagtupad sa kanyang direktibang masugpo ang illegal na droga sa bansa. As of February 2016, the PDEA reported that 27% of 11,321 out of the country's 42,065 barangays, mostly in urban areas, are drug-affected. On record, NCR has the highest rate of affectation with 1,611 or 94% of the total number of barangays, followed by Calabarzon with more or less 3,000 or 75% barangays. Further, the Dangerous Drugs Board 2015 National Household Survey disclosed that there are around 1.8 million drug users in the country, of which more or less 690,000 or 38% are unemployed. During the Senate hearing on Thursday, August 18, 2016, it was announced that the country has more or less 3.7 million drug users nationwide. This situation indicates the magnitude of the drug problem in our country. And while much has been done to eradicate illegal drugs, the problem persists and has become worse, especially at the grassroots level. Through the Philippine National Police Anti-Illegal Drugs Campaign Plan Double Barrel from July 1 to August 21, 2016, the police was able to arrest a combined total of 10,153 drug pushers and users. Meanwhile, for the same period, a total of more than 600,000 individuals surrendered in line with Double Barrel. Further, more than 6,000 police operations were conducted in various regions nationwide, wherein 718 were killed as a result of police operations, and an estimated DDV value of more than 2.3 billion pesos of illegal drugs was confiscated. The PNP stand against extrajudicial killing is uncompromising. If any policeman is found that he violated the law on self-defense, he will be investigated, prosecuted, and accordingly punished. On the speculations of vigilante killings, the PNP does not and will never condone vigilante killings. I have previously mentioned that these killings are perpetrated by various syndicate groups involved in illegal drugs. Therefore, the PNP will extend the full force of the law against those responsible for these crimes. Umaasa po ako na ang pagdinig na ito ay tunay na makakatulong sa ating mithiin upang mabigyan ng solusyon ang problema sa illegal na droga. Rest assured that your police is more than willing to adapt the lessons that will come out of this hearing. The PNP remains loyal to our sworn mandate to serve and protect the Filipino people in accordance with the rule of law. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Police Director General De La Rosa. That was your opening statement, although you advised me earlier before the start of the hearing that we're supposed to have some PowerPoint presentation, and I would assume that your PowerPoint presentation po ay kaugnay dun sa report nyo. So meron pa ho kayong separate na report. Yes, dahil naka-indicate po yan doon sa notice na pinadala sa inyo.
Yes,
so I just want to clarify or have it clarified that that was simply your opening statement.
Yes, Your Honor.
Salamat po.